Welcome to AT&T Technical Tips. In this video, I'll discuss the risks of power cycling your equipment and the only time it is an appropriate troubleshooting step. Many people power cycle their PC or smart device if it gets hung up, which often resolves the issue. Some electronics vendors recommend it as their first troubleshooting step. However, the temptation to save time and to try to do this with customer premises equipment, or CPE, comes with some serious risks. First, your device may become inoperable if it does not power back up or if the configuration is lost. Your vendor may then need to ship replacement equipment in order to restore the service. This can delay your ability to use the circuit for more than 24 hours. Power cycling also erases multiple levels of log and performance data needed to troubleshoot recurring issues. Every time you lose this information, it becomes a missed opportunity to fix the problem. Another risk of power cycling is it makes your network equipment look unstable to your service provider. Continuing to power cycle creates a false history of CPE troubles. This makes it difficult to find the root cause of the issues you're experiencing.
We're a customer, and we normally start troubleshooting all network issues, like latency and packet loss, by power cycling the router. What are you suggesting we do instead?
A better troubleshooting approach is to work with your equipment vendor and service provider. Together, you can set up an action plan after the trouble has been properly isolated. We have covered the cons of power cycling. Now let's discuss the only time you should power cycle. It is only helpful when the following 4 conditions have been met. Your service is interrupted, testing indicates the trouble is isolated to the CPE, your CPE vendor cannot remotely access the device to troubleshoot, and the vendor instructs you to power cycle CPE as a last-ditch attempt to restore your service. If this doesn't work, your vendor will provide you with the additional steps that must be taken. You should now have a better understanding of the only time it is appropriate to power cycle your equipment. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for choosing AT&T.